Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. In this video, we will see how we can do addition and subtraction in Excel. I have some data here in column A. In Excel, there are multiple ways to add the given data. For example, if I select these numbers and copy and paste in C, if I wanted to add these numbers, I will use equals sum, then open the bracket, then add the numbers 900, 850, 500, 365, 450, 110. I need to enter all this data manually. Once I enter all this data manually, I will get the result. So this will be the sum of the numbers. Similarly, if I select all these numbers and if I come to the status bar, I will see the total will be 3175, which is also correct as per the addition what we have done. The numbers which I will be using is from column A and row number 1 to 13, and in horizontal I will be using the numbers from row 19 and column A to H. In order to do addition for these numbers, without using the formula, I can simply select all these numbers and come to the status bar in the bottom and see what is the total here. The total is 16191. Similarly, if I click on here and select all these numbers, I'll be able to see what is the total of these numbers in the status bar. 2080 is the total. Let us apply the formula and see if the total which we saw earlier in the status bar is correct. I will use the formula equals sum and open the bracket. Then select the range of the cells. I will be selecting the range of the cells from A1 to A13. Whatever you see here in A1 to A13 is the range of cells which I wanted to add, and I wanted to get the result in A14. I will close the bracket and enter. So I have got the result as 16191. After selecting the numbers, whatever you see, this value and this value matches. So that means the formula has worked perfectly fine. Let me apply the formula for the horizontal numbers. Equals sum, open the bracket, select the range of cells and close the bracket. So we have the total 2082. I have highlighted in yellow. This is the same what we get in the status bar. Or using another blank cell somewhere in the Excel, anywhere in the Excel, if I wanted to use a cell anywhere in the Excel to find out the sum, I can simply do the same thing, equals sum, and select the range A1 to A13. I will get the same result as previous. In order to do the subtraction, I need to do for subtract. I need to use the formula. If I wanted to subtract 20 minus 2, I have to use equals, then select the number 20 or the cell B23 minus 2, which is B24. You have the result of 18. Let us take another number to do the subtraction. I will take bigger number this time, 45896, and let me use 28965, 38965. If I wanted to subtract, I will simply use equals, select the cell D23 minus D24. I will get the result as 6931. The total will be 6931 after doing the subtraction. In case I wanted to do the subtraction without using the cell references, then I have to select 45896 minus 38965. This is, we are using the numbers straight away instead of using the cell numbers. Whichever way you are convenient, you can use the addition or subtraction. If you have a large number or large set of numbers which you are working, it is always recommended to use the cell references